Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to install TWRP recovery in your Android phone. For this, you will need two applications. One is Super SU, which will grant you super user access, and the second is TWRP Manager. You can download these both of application from Google Play Store. Now, just tap on these three lines, or anyway, what are they? Then click install TWRP. Here, device name. In device name, you can search your device name. Now it is loading. And if you have already any previous version of TWRP recovery installed, it will show it here. Now search here anything that you want. Mine is J700. Okay, as I have installed TWRP recovery version 3.0.2, so it is showing it here. Now just click here. It will show you the latest version of TWRP recovery available for your device. So now select the latest version and then click install recovery. After doing so, your device will restart and TWRP recovery will be installed on your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching.